Here's a great deal on a 2017 Honda Accord. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 15,000 kilometers. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Honda prioritized comfort and style by including a tachometer, heated seats, power moonroof, remote keyless entry, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.